The leaves are changing color and we're starting to feel a little chill in the air. Fall is here, and that means it's time to prep your home for the changing of the seasons. Here are some great fall home maintenance tips for your home. I'm Sean Ryan with the Blue Coast Realty Group, and let's dive in. Starting outside, let's first do some landscaping. Now is the time to fertilize your lawn and give it a nice seeding. You'll want to get rid of any dead plants and prune your trees and your shrubs too. Next, you'll want to keep an eye on those gutters. Keeping them clear prevents them from overflowing, limits trapped moisture that can cause rot. You'll want to make sure they are firmly attached as well for when the snow eventually does come. Outside, you want to make sure your downspouts are clear. Make sure the water flows with the downspouts unobstructed, with the flow taking the water away from the house. While we're on that topic of the roof, it might be a smart time to have the chimney inspected. Make sure there is a tight seal to prevent animals from getting in, and you might also want to consider having your flue tested. If you have a wood-burning fireplace, a professional cleaning might be in order as well. Next, let's check on those windows and doors. Prep your home against the coming cold by caulking and weather stripping anywhere that needs it. Repair loose and damaged windows and door frames, and check the seals while you're at it. Check the screens for any tears. After that, your HVAC system could use some attention. This might be time to replace your filter, or if it's been a while, having an inspection or a cleaning of the ducts could make a big difference, especially if you suffer from asthma and other allergies. Finally, winterize your plumbing. You may have outdoor pipes. Winterize them with insulation, prevent them from bursting, and if you've ever had an issue with a bursted pipe, you want to make sure that you know where your shutoff valve is in case of that. If you need help with some of these, we know some amazing professionals here in Sarnia Lambton who can help you out. Thanks for watching. Remember to put Sean on your lawn, and welcome home to the Blue Coast.